To begin the installation process for the motorized control kit, we'll start by opening up the panels at the bottom tray of the camera cart. We can use an Allen key to remove the screw from this rubber foot and access the panel. And we can do the same on the opposite side. Once removed, we can attach our wheel in the same fashion as the non-motorized wheels. While holding the release button, we can slide the wheel into place and stopping a little bit before its final position. From there, we can run the cable through the hole and close the panel and reattach the rubber foot. Once secured, we can slide the wheel into its final position and lock it into place via the locking lever. We can repeat the process on the other side, sliding the wheel in place, running the cable through the hole. We can align the cable with the grooves on the panel to make sure there is not additional stress on the cable. We can then close the panel and reattach the foot. Once attached, we can slide our wheel into the final position and lock it down with the locking lever. We're now going to connect the cables to the two cable connectors on the bottom of the control box, as well as secure the control box via the two threads. You'll then want to press the cable into place, applying a decent amount of force to make sure the cable is fully secure. We can then push the excess slack back into the hidden compartment and use the included screws to screw through the cart and into the control box, further securing it with an Allen key. And we can repeat the process on the other side. We can then push in and slide to open the panel on the control box to expose the power input port and connect our power cable. After closing the panel, we can then press the button on the top of the control box to power up the system. The control handle attaches the same as the others via a clamp and toggle screw and is powered off of a single 18650 battery. We can then hold the power button to power the system on. The LED will flash while it establishes connection before turning solid green. We can then press the up arrow and use the trigger to move the cart forward, or move the switch in the down position and hold the trigger to move the cart backwards. We can then double tap the power button to enter the second mode, which will allow for faster speeds, or hold the power button to power off the handle.